Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this cute little mobile tasbih. I mean, look at this tasbih. It's so beautiful and pretty. You can gift it to your loved ones or you can keep it for yourself or whatever you like. So let's get started with the video. Alright, so the things you will be needing for this mobile tasbih hanging is this thread. I use this thread. I don't know what this is called, but it's really nice. Okay, I'm using size 6 millimeter beads in milky blue. It's just that you can use any size and color, but I would prefer to use 6 mm because if you're going to increase the size of the beads, obviously the weight is going to get increased. You will need one piece of this mobile hanging. I'm using this really cute moon charm. It's really very pretty. I'm using this needle I have. And then I'm deciding to add these bars or maybe these ones in between 11 beads, because when we make a 33 beads tasbih, we do add two breakers after 11 beads. So I'm going to use these ones because I think these are nice. Even these circle one look, I think I should go for these, the round ones. These look much more prettier. Okay, those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now if you wanted to, you can go ahead and add between these, in between the beads, you can add these little metal pieces, but I think I should go and make the plain version of this tasbih. And now first we are going to make a tasbih, and also you will need these locks. You will need one of these. I will tell you why later. And I don't know what you call these. I forgot the name. It's okay. Okay, we need one of that. Okay, now we are going to add 11 beads into this needle. So it's going to be 5, then 5 and 1, 11. After adding 11 beads, I'm going to add this cute little one right here. I'm going to pass this through, and then I'm going to add again I'm just adjusting the lights right now. Okay, fine. Then I'm going to add again 11 beads into this needle. Add. Okay, it's 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. And then I'm going to add in this cute little bead right there. Pass it through. And then lastly, we are going to add 11 more beads into this needle. So it's 5, 5 and 11. I'm going to remove this needle, and look at this, how cute small little tasbih is ready. You can easily hang to your bag or to your cell phones, and it's it's easy, so you can do dhikr on it. Okay, now I'm going to cut my yarn. It's not a crochet tutorial, it's a tasbih tutorial. I'm going to bind these both together, and now I'm going to use a little wire to add more beads. So here I have this 0.4 mm, it says copper wire for jewelry making. It's really nice and thin, so I'm going to take a piece because I really don't want to damage my original needle, so that is why I am taking this and using it like a needle. So we are going to get both of these threads, pass this through, and now we are going to do is going to pass 1 and 2 beads, and now we are going to take our jump ring and we are going to add in our our moon, and now we are going to pass this as well, and then again 2 beads. 1, 2. We're going to pass this through this This is the point where you break your needle easily, so that is why I use this wire. I'm going to add in this thing right here. Okay, now before we close this top, we are going to tie this tasbih. It's just because obviously we have to read it, so we need a space in between our beads. Now to give the space, you're going to take this, you're going to place anywhere, and then we are going to tie regular knots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 knots are okay. I'm going to cut, and now we're going to burn these ends like that, and then you are going to close and remove this, and now you can see there is a perfect space in between your tasbih. You can gift it to someone, to your family, your friends, anyone you like. You can add it as a keychain, or you can add it to your bag, your purse, your cell phone, anywhere you want it. And you can add names on it as well, or alphabet, anything you want. And look at this cute little tasbih is ready in no time, with the moon, of course. And now we're going to apply this to my cell phone. So I'm going to remove my cell phone, and then we are going to go ahead and add in our tasbih. So there are 2 holes. You can see anywhere in your cell phone. Going to pass it through like that, and then we are going to pass through again, and then you're going to open this and pass your tasbih through this thing right here. Ta-da! And then you're going to put the cell phone back, and look how pretty. And this is a really pretty one. Look at this. If you really wanted to know how did I make it, comment me and tell me, do you really wanted to learn the white mobile hanging? Comment teach white in comment section. Take care. Bye.